Hey everybody, it's Elisha here from Thinkific. Black Friday is right around the corner. This time of year represents an opportunity for entrepreneurs and course creators like yourself to drive sales and increase revenue, as well as launch more courses and acquire more students. Despite its evident benefits, Black Friday can present some tricky choices as various concerns have been raised about the issue of devaluing your course through discounts and teaching your followers that they can wait for sales. These are fair points, but what if we told you that you can participate in Black Friday without devaluing your content? Stay tuned. And of course, if you haven't already, hit that bell button to subscribe for all the best tips to help you build a successful online course. Every year, searches for online course deals during Black Friday spike in Google. Not only this, in recent years, the adoption of Black Friday has become more prevalent globally. Discounting should never happen as a blanket strategy for selling a course, but when used strategically, it can definitely help a business grow faster and help more people achieve their desired transformations. Let's explore a few ways that course creators are approaching Black Friday and other seasonal sales. Offering more without discounting. Tian Chu, founder of Wrap and Weave, launched her highly successful Thinkific course on Black Friday last year. She explains that it's possible to run holiday promos without devaluing your course. She typically runs a Black Friday special where the focus isn't discounts. Rather, it's extra value added through offering bonuses. She struck up a deal with a yarn shop where they offered a 10% store discount to students in her class as a Black Friday special. Then she emailed all the other students who purchased before and said, "We offered this as a Black Friday bonus, and we're also going to offer it to you all as well." This means that she's not creating an expectation for her audience to only wait for the discount. It's more of a motivation tactic rather than actually discounting the product that she's already offering. By marketing and promoting this bonus, Chu was able to successfully run a Black Friday special without devaluing her course. Rather, she added an element of exclusivity by participating with other businesses in her industry. Adding value through bundles. Similarly, if you have had more than one course or product, you can think about a bundle rather than a discount. You can do this through creating a bundle of courses, adding in a live session, adding extra resources like ebooks, or partnering up with a business to create a group bundle together. Linda Reed Eniver, founder of the Eniver Group Business Academy, offers similar advice to Thinkific course creators. For this Black Friday, Reed Eniver is planning on trialing a bundle launch with 3 of their popular courses for $197, which is the price of one course. Her plan is to send an email blast out to her students that are not enrolled in their courses and include an offer with a Black Friday Roundup Live, which is popular, as well as market some Facebook posts and groups that might be keen. One last thing. To maintain a sense of trust and authenticity of your brand, ensure that if you're giving a limited time offer, that it's really a limited time offer. Do your best to ensure that you communicate clearly with your clients the start date and the end date of your bundle or of your deal, and ensure that you truly end it at that time. There's no need for you to continue to offer discounts or continue a race to the bottom for your clients. Maintain great trust and a good relationship with your clients through following this tip. So, have you started promoting your Black Friday offerings? If so, let us know in the comments down below. We love seeing what everyone is coming up with on our platform. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you can follow along with this series. Until next time, keep creating.